What? Melissa. Melissa. Melissa, what is going on today? What's the deal?
Look, I'm not talking to anybody. Y'all need to shoot me and kill me right now.
I understand. I hear what you're saying, but what happened? Would you take something today? Can you be honest with me? Did you take something?
I didn't.
Okay. You're sober?
Well, I drink alcohol, but that's it.
Okay, that's it. Were you feeling like this before you drank?
I don't know that. Go ahead and kill me.
Nobody's gonna kill you, Melissa.
Step away from my car.
Huh.
Y'all can take me all y'all want. But I'm telling
Trying to get her away from my phone.
This is gonna be hands off.
Okay, Melissa.
Melissa, please.
Nobody is going to kill you. No one is going to harm you. You know how this ends? Okay? We're not doing this.
Do not talk to me. Go ahead and get I already done all this today.
Okay.
Y'all can taser me, go ahead and taser me, and I'll fucking up and kill me at this point.
Melissa, come on.
I'm being serious.
I know, but let's just set it down and talk. Let's at least go that route. Please.
Set one of them down.
No, I'm not.
Just one of them.
Can you at least sit down then? And we just talk? Please.
We've established that nobody here is going to hurt you. Okay? Look at me in my eyes and know that I'm telling you the truth. None of us are going to hurt you. Okay? None of us are going to kill you.
But I'm looking at out through y'all.
Okay?
And I know how this is going. You're about to jump me?
Nobody's going to jump you. Okay, keep your distance, please. Keep your distance. No. Just stop. Stop right there.
What are you doing?
I'm not having this is what I'm
Did she
saying.
take
She's
anything?
mentally ill.
Okay.
I planned for them to come here.
That's what she wants to.
They are not going to shoot you. Put that down. I'm going to beat you up.
Please don't get too close to her, because then it's
I'm
my.
not scared of her.
I understand that, but it's my responsibility if something happens
Melissa
to you.
Lynn,
Mama,
put that stuff down now.
I will kill my. No,
Put it
Why
down.
don't you walk over here with us?
I will do this. I'm not.
Oh my God.
Yeah, when we go over there.
Melissa,
We're getting the
listen.
whole neighborhood.
Melissa?
I'm gonna you off. Shoot me.
Dispatch any available unit out on the
23, please hold the air. Still, we're in a standoff with her.
10-4.
And I have planned all this.
Listen.
Suicide by cop, and I'm not done.
Hey, Benjamin.
Whoa.
Ma'am,
Easy, ma'am, back away from her.
Don't do
back
that.
away from her. Back
Don't
away
do
from her. I'm gonna take the key out of this thing, okay? That.
Ma'am, just please.
Negative, we're working on it.
Back up.
Just
You're going back to the high
Backing
street.
up. We'll just back up.
stay away from the
Ma'am.
street.
I'm backing up. Y'all take
Taser. Come get. Jesus Christ.
I know you didn't shoot her.
Shots fired. We have 2 shots fired.
What?
Roll over.
I know you didn't. You stupid.